Alright, 2005 Prius with a tilt sensor here. So red wire is connected to constant 12 volts. Orange wire is connected to the fuse, which is ignition. And this red wire here up there is connected to a fuse. And then the blue wire is connected to my meter, and my meter, one side of the meter is connected to 12 volts, and the other side of the meter is connected to the blue wire waiting for ground. So anytime this tilt sensor works, I'm going to get a ground signal coming to the blue wire, and my meter is going to show like negative 11 or negative 11 or negative 10 volts. So here we go. Let's move that tilt sensor. Well, let's actually start the car up real quick, and then so basically every time you start the car up, you get 12 volts, meaning that you have a disconnection of the ground signal to that orange wire, and then it will reset its reference angle, whatever the last reference angle is. So let's do that. Here's the car here. Start the car up. So basically the ignition is on now. So 12 volts is traveling in this orange wire. And when I shut down the car, now this ground wire is getting a ground signal. So then I wait 10 seconds. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if I move this tilt sensor from this horizontal position to some 1 degree difference, I'm going to see a negative 10 or a negative 11 on that LCD screen of my meter. So if that's true, then the factory alarm is going to get a negative signal to its door, and then the factory alarm is going to come on. So here we go. We're going to take it out and move it 1 degree. And you saw it, negative 11 for a second. So it only takes a second to get that negative 11. There it goes again, meaning that a negative ground signal will go into this pin, this door switch, and the factory alarm will be activated. So we finally figured it out. This is written so complex. So anyways, it works. Thanks for watching. Just FYI, I bought 2 tilt sensors that didn't work. When you put in a tilt sensor into here that doesn't work, it'll show up negative 12, and anytime you move it, nothing would happen. So this is my 3rd tilt. I bought 2 tilt sensors, 1 and 1 more sitting somewhere in here, and they both did work. All right, good night. And finally, hey, Nye. Okay, and finally, I got this 3rd sensor, and it works. So if you put it in and you see a negative 12, immediately, it's probably because it's a bad sensor. So I'm just gonna show it to you right now. So we're gonna put my phone kind of down, and notice it's saying 0.1, negative 0.1 right now. And we're going to take this good sensor out, put it over here, take the bad sensor and plug it in. And notice it says negative 11.87. So again, so this is a bad sensor. We're gonna pull this one out, leave it on the ground, and plug in the good one. And you see, it doesn't say negative 11. So this is a known good sensor. All right, thanks for watching. Throw you off for weeks or days because you have no sleep.